Today I am going to explain what is projection possibility curve. The collection of all possible combination of goods and services that can be produced from a given amount of resources and technology is called the projection possibility set of the economy. When this projection possibility set is graphed, it is called projection possibility frontier or projection possibility curve. Now I will explain this with the help of a table. Now in this table there are various combinations of cloth and wheat. When the economy will produce zero amount of cloth, then the amount of wheat will be 10. When the economy will produce 1 unit of cloth, then the amount of wheat will be 9 units. When the economy will produce 2 units of cloth, then the amount of wheat will be 7 units. These are the various combinations. Now, if all the resources are used in the production of cloth, the maximum amount of cloth that can be produced is 4 units. And if all the resources are used in the production of wheat, the maximum amount of wheat that will be produced is 10 units. It's clear? So these are the various combinations. So like this, there may be so many combinations also. Now we will explain this with the graph. This graph explains the projection possibility curve of the economy. Any point on or below the curve represents a combination of cloth and wheat. This curve gives the combinations of cloth and wheat that can be produced when the resources are fully utilized. A point lying below the curve represents a combination of cloth and wheat that will be produced when all or some of the resources are either unemployed or utilized in a wasteful method. If we want to have more of the one goods, we will have less of the other goods. It's clear? Here, when the economy is producing 1 unit of cloth, then the amount of wheat will be 9. When the economy is producing no clothes, then the amount of wheat will be 10 units. When the economy is producing 2 units of cloth, then the amount of wheat will be 7 units. When the economy is producing 3 units of cloth, then the amount of wheat will be 4 units. These are the various combinations of producing clothes and wheat. So here A, B, C, D, this curve is known as the projection possibility frontier or the projection possibility curve. Here A, B, C, these are the various combinations of wheat and cloth. Okay, thank you.